these pomegranates have been sitting in here for like at least 2 weeks now. Okay, so you probably saw how elevated it was before. Now it's kind of flat. Maybe it's because of all the stuff I put on it. But see how close to the edge that is? I kind of want to clear out some of this liquid and then clean it up a bit. And then so it doesn't float on top of my computer. It smells fermented right now, so I guess that's a good. I guess that's good. But I'm afraid, I don't know if there's if the alcohol content is going to affect the overall system, that is, slow down the enzymes. Possible it could denature it. I don't know. Let's keep going, we'll see. Maybe that would be a good thing. I'm gonna clear out the water. Okay, so you can see this experiment is changing as it's going. But I'm gonna flush this. I'm gonna put some new enzymes in, and I'm going to refill this with water. Quote unquote fresh water. Fresh tap water. Alright, so here's the pomegranate. I added some more enzymes, but then the water started overflowing. So then I had to pour out some water, but you can see the water line is somewhat lower. And I think that's going to be good enough to get me through the rest of this experiment, hopefully. Alright. Check back in another, so many weeks, I bet. Okay, so the pomegranates have not fully broken down yet. You can see the juice. And it smells like alcohol. It's possible. I wonder if the alcohol could have deactivated the enzymes. It smells really strong with ethanol. You can see there's still a lot of space. This is not fully, well, as you can see, it's still solid. Previous videos, from previously, you know that I drained it. So it's probably the ethanol is what I'm guessing, but I'm surprised that there's even ethanol to be in there because I had drained it. I just thought that the enzymes were going to keep breaking this down. Let's see what the internet has to say about it. This is the pomegranates after months, probably, in this incubator. Wow, it's still solid. But the computer has been inconsistent with heating and it's been on and off. Right now it's like probably 70, 75. But I think it's time to take this out. It's not breaking down any further. Enzymes, the temperature, it seems consistent. And time to call it. It's been fun, pomegranates. Up. Oh man, super squishy. It's been like soaking for months. I'm kind of sad it didn't break down all the way. I mean, I think I'd want to try this experiment again, but yeah, there's a lot of enzymes. For a while, it was being heated, so I'm kind of surprised that. I mean, it is mushy. It just like has a shape to it. Okay, well, maybe not this part. This part is actually quite solid. But it was up top, and so maybe it didn't get exposure. But everything else is like seems to be very mushy. I guess in a way it was a success. Peace.